Guys, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. Guys, in today's video, I would like to show you guys plants around my house. If you are not decorating with plants, I'm hoping that by the end of this video, you're going to be inspired to start adding plants, in certain areas of your house. I have different plants, and going up my stairs, it's actually close to a window, and I call this my garden window. And you can see I have, maybe around 5 species of different plants. One of the benefits of adding plants to your home is how plants help to improve the air quality around your house. Some plants do help with snake plant, for example, helps with purifying the air around your house. I used to have a snake plant before, but it died on me a few months ago, and so I am really hoping to get one more at this point. So in this window, I do have an elephant ear. I do have the split leaf philodendron. Then I have small leaves. This is the ivy, and of course this is the snake plant. Look at this plant with all its babies. I call it its children. And sometimes it does do flower. Look at that. And if you have this plant, you can multiply it into different pots, and you're gonna have plenty of this, because look at that. These are like fruits forming when the plant is, really at maturity. So you can see, you can pluck those off, put them in a potted container, and you should have more of the snake plant. This is a pothos. It is growing immensely. It's taking over this entire space. I also do cuttings out of this plant and actually put it in water and just have it multiply. I have one in my kitchen as well. This is my peace lily, and look at, sometimes it does flower. I think it's just died recently, like flowers recently. So one of the ways that I take care of my plants is actually clean the leaves. You can see these leaves are a little bit shinier compared to my peace lily, and it's simply because I do clean my leaves and I use plain or milk. So look at that. I'll just bring that, and then I am going to use this because I wanted to really clean my peace lily. It's not looking too shiny to my liking, so I do this once in a while. But honestly, I do enjoy having plants around my house. I think for me it is very therapeutic. I just love to see how lush and green, and it matches any decor around your home, so you shouldn't even be scared. So long as you just get a beautiful container for it, you should be good to go. So guys, on my hallway, I do have the Swiss cheese plant. Look at that. It is pretty. It has actually never given me any issues. This is one of the easiest plants to have. I mean, I water once a week or when the soil is dry, and there's really nothing much that I do to it, but look at that. It looks very lush, very green, really growing beautifully. Again, on my hallway, I do have this Australian umbrella tree. It struggled a little bit growing, but then it has recently really grown at least maybe 2 new stems, and I think it's because of opening the window in the door in the afternoon, and it's getting more sunlight than it used to. But look at the container that one is sitting on. Isn't that pretty? The bottom used to be the container that had my majestic palm tree that used to be in my dining area. That plant died a few weeks ago, and so I decided to actually just raise the umbrella tree plant a little bit, and so it has been doing better because now it's raised a little bit, and so it's getting more sunlight than it used to be. But I'm liking that look. It looks really pretty to me. And then here, close to my basement door, I do have the false banana plant. It has been struggling, but I think it's getting better. I see a new stem starting to form, so I'm hoping that it continue to grow and hopefully soon it's gonna fill up this container. But yeah, it's looking pretty though still. That is Amaya right there. She is tired. She had a birthday yesterday, and so she is just passed out tired from the entire party. This is my majestic palm tree. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite plants to have in the house. Guess it needs some cleaning as well. Yeah, this is one of the large plants that I have in the house. I have one in my dining room, but actually it died a few weeks ago, so I'm really sad about that. But hopefully I get another one, a new plant during springtime. But yeah, look at how beautiful that is. Look at how that really fits into that corner. It's in the living room. I mean, it just goes with any decor that I've had. I've had different colors in my living room before that. Yeah, look at that, guys. Another area of my house that I have plants is my kitchen. I have a bamboo right there just in water. I have a vine. Again, I think that is a pothos on my window. I have a small palm tree. I'm not sure what the name of that is, but I'll leave it for you guys. The name of it. Have a lemon tree here. It really needs a lot of light, and it hasn't been able to do well during winter time, but spring is about to be here, so I am taking that outside as soon as we have warmer weather outside. As you can see, we still have a lot of snow in the ground, so we're not there yet, guys. Another plant that I love to decorate with is the cactus, the succulents. Look at that. That is just on my window. It needs light, so this window really provides a lot of light to my plants in the kitchen, and that is why I love to have plants around the kitchen area, because I get a lot of light. I have like 5 windows in my kitchen. Okay, this is my orchid. If you haven't looked at my previous video on how I revived this orchid using garlic water, oh, you better check it out. Look at the leaves. It just started to flower this week, and I got those wonderful petals. Look at that. Look at that, guys. How beautiful. And then over here I have another succulent. Really, it's not doing as well as I expected it to do. And then I have another vine right there on this 3-tier potting container. Oh, I love it. Look at the shape of that. Such a beautiful, beautiful pot for plants. I have another succulent on the window. It's actually aloe vera. And I use that a lot on my face. So I've always harvested it, one of the leaves, and I use it as a mask. So look at that. So sometimes I do cut some of my plants and just put them in water. Hopefully they grow to be big plants, and then I can put them into a different container. But yeah, that is in the kitchen, on the window of my kitchen. Last week I did a video on, maybe this week actually, a video on my green onions. Look at that, guys. They are starting to grow. Because you can see those are the freshly formed leaves. I even use this short glass to grow some cuttings out of my green onion. And look at that. Look at that. So all of these things, they are plants that you're gonna eat. These are not plants, but like this is really a vegetable. But
they still add that color to your house, the greenery to your house, the coziness to your home. So yeah, don't be afraid to, you know, start decorating with plants because it really does add an aesthetic feeling into your home. It is really good for the environment. Actually, I have even read that it's good for your mental health. So, because it relieves the stress, you look around and you just smile because of how um, your house looks like when you have greenery around it. Again, I want to say thank you so much for joining me for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, guys, I will see you then. Peace.